Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba makita ang mga recently viewed products sa ating Shopee app. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung Shopee app na gagamitin natin. So after ma-update guys, open na natin yung ating Shopee app. So, pagka-open guys, pumunta lang tayo sa pinakang profile or me ng ating Shopee. So, tap nyo lang guys. And then dito sa pinakang profile, make sure na naka-login yung account ninyo. So, after nyo may login, i-scroll up lang natin mula dito. And dito guys, sa more activities, hanapin nyo lang yung recently viewed. So, ito yon, tap nyo lang. And then, ayan guys, pagka-open, dito lalabas na lahat ng mga sinearch na mga products or na recently viewed ninyo. So, lahat dito guys is lalabas. So, ayan. So, ayan lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano makita ang mga recently viewed products sa ating Shopee app. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And, thank you for watching!